Alright, welcome to another video. We're still working on 370Z, and today, hopefully get this quarter panel welded up. Last video we got it all drilled out. Today we got it out of the parts car, which we didn't bend anything because we did cut it with inner structure, inner skin. Since this one is damaged, we'll actually replace both pieces at once. And just because we didn't want to, when you take it off just the skin, you can actually damage it like we did last time 2 years ago. So yeah, I guess let's get this quarter on there, maybe even start welding it up. And yeah, let's go. Alright, so we got this quarter on. Fits pretty good, actually perfect. We got the window just tossed in here. That if you want to get some of these gaps, like perfect. Lines up pretty good. This plus, like even this door gap is, I'd say, better than OEM, or if OEM. Same thing with the side skirt. It did get damaged, but like still see this line lines up. Even back here lines up. Same thing with it's not bolted right now, but also fits perfectly. The bolts line up and stuff. Yeah, we got it on a couple self-tappers just holding it in place, but since everything lines up, we can actually start welding it all up. Even inside, all fits up. So yeah, I guess see a time lapse. My dad welded up. Go from there. Alright, it is the next day. We got this quarter, or my dad did, he got it all welded up. We got all the body filler where the spot welds were. Here, like, came out perfect. We also did get it primered, and as you just saw, we got it all sanded down. So it's ready for paint. Even inside this wheel well came out perfect, where we changed it with the inner skin. If you want to show it, Dad. Like, came out perfect, and we didn't damage the, you know, outer skin, and we replaced the inner skin with it, so came out really good. Everything still lines up great. Honestly, came out perfect. We also did get the fender, I think both fenders painted, and we did get the front bumper painted, which I did film a little bit of that, but it just happened so fast that I didn't film a lot. So yeah, basically, let's, I guess, mask off the car, Dad, and my dad can actually spray it, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, we're ready to paint, and this is three-stage paint. It's a base, pearl white, middle coat, and a clear coat. We already prepared. It's ready for paint. And one more thing, we try to paint just the quarter panel without the door, but when we paint, we put base coat, we put a clear middle coat. We try see the door, we close the door and match, because every layer middle coat, it's a pearl white, it's the color should be yellow, more yellow. And we will see when I put 2 layers middle coat, we close this door and we match. We need more layers middle coat or not. This is depends because it's a very hard to match, and three-stage paint is always hard.
Without a blend.
Yes, without blend. We try and we will see. Okay, you ready to paint?
Okay, let's get to it. Alright, as you just saw, we got that quarter panel all painted pretty much. It's the next day, so it's all dry now, and it came out perfect. We usually don't paint inside the shop, but in this case, we had no other choice. And like very little trash, like no trash at all. Like there's a couple little spots, but with the wet sand and buff, it would be perfect. Like, came out really good. Very happy with how it came out. But yeah, that's gonna be for this video. Next video, we're actually gonna put this whole car together and get it on the road, and that'll be it from there. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.